Students, now we are discussing another problem, which is also different one. The statement is if z is equal to x plus iota y and z mod of z minus 1 over z plus 1 is equal to 1, then we want to prove that z is purely imaginary. हम यहाँ पे z को प्योरली इमेजनरी प्रूव करना चाहते हैं. प्योरली इमेजनरी इज दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर in which only imaginary part exists, real part value is 0. So how will you solve that type of complex number? That's very important property. So see the solution. We have mod of z minus 1 over z plus 1 is equal to 1, which is given. Then after that we have already discussed the property in previous question. The property is mod of z1 over z2 becomes equal to mod of z1 over mod of z2. This property we can apply there. So when we are applying this property on it, it becomes z minus 1, mod will be separately going on this or also on this, is equal to 1. This expression is coming to us. And now the next is cross multiplying there. After cross multiplying, we will get mod of z minus 1 becomes equal to mod of z plus 1. This expression is coming. Now the next one is, when we are doing this, we have also given z equal to x plus iota y. So we are substituting the value of z here. So this expression will be changing x plus iota y with a negative 1 minus 1 mod closed. Then another one, similarly we are putting on the right hand side, x plus iota y of plus 1. This expression is coming after putting the value z is equal to x plus iota y, which is already given. So after this, mod sign says that we are finding the modulus of that. For finding the modulus of that, firstly we are arranging these terms. How will you arrange these terms? This is x is without any iota, it means it is real part. This 1 is also without any iota, it is also real part, the real part is combining now. So we are writing x minus 1 separately in the brackets plus iota y. This term is this. Equal to, similarly here, x is also real part, 1 is also real part. So combining both, it becomes x plus 1 and iota y is taking separately. Now applying the rule of modulus. Modulus, when we are finding the mod of z of any complex number x plus iota y, so it gives under root x square plus y square. This rule can be applied there. अगर इस रूल को अप्लाई करते हैं, z इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस योटा वाई हो, तो मॉडुलस हम इस तरह से फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सिमिलरली अब यहाँ पे ये हमारा रियल पार्ट है, इमेजनरी हो गया, ये रियल है और ये इमेजनरी. मॉड को हटाने के लिए मॉडुलस वैल्यू निकालेंगे बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. तो ये बन जाएगा अंडर रूट एक्स माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, सिमिलरली हेयर, अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर plus y square. This expression is coming. Now next is, after this, squaring will be square root is lying on both sides. Now we are doing the scaring on both sides. We get, when we are doing scaring, square root becomes cancel, x minus 1 whole square plus y square. This, similarly here, under root x plus 1 whole square plus y square, again squaring with this, square root is cancelled with this square. Now the expression is x minus 1 whole square plus y square, or similarly x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Now the y square terms are lying on both sides. It will be also cancel out. Now the remaining is x minus 1 whole square, or here is x plus 1 whole square. Now opening the formula a minus b whole square here, it becomes x square 1 square minus 2x. Similarly here x square 1 square plus 2x. Now x square is also lying on this side, or x square is also lying on this side plus 2x. This is the whole expression. Now x square cancel out. Positive 1 is also here, positive is here, also cancel out. What is the remaining? Minus 2x, or this is also 2x. So minus 2x goes on another side. This side 2x is already there. This 2x when goes to there, minus becomes positive. It becomes positive 2x, and here is 0. So this expression is 4x is equal to 0. Now x becomes equal to 0 divided by 4. This is equal to 0. So what's the value of x? X becomes 0. If x is 0, then z becomes equal to x plus iota y is there. So this expression will be changing after putting x equal to 0. 0 plus iota y. So this is equal to only iota y. So iota y is there. So what type of part is iota? Iota is showing imaginary parts. So this says that z is purely imaginary. यही हमने शो करना था इसमें कि z हमारा प्योरली इमेजनरी है इस एक्सप्रेशन में. सो हमारे पास z इज इक्वल टू योटा वाई आ गया और रियल पार्ट यहाँ से मिस हो गया. तो यहाँ से पता लगता है कि ये जो सारी एक्सप्रेशन जो हमने की थी इस क्वेश्चन की वो प्योरली